Everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today, guess what? I have another intro for you. I know, shocking, it's January, and I wasn't sure if I was going to do this or not this year, but you know what? I feel like I should do it. I didn't do it last year, and I don't remember if I did it the year before. I might have, I just don't remember. And I've seen some comments in the Fantastic Ladies Facebook group. I've seen other people's intros on their channels, and I thought, you know what, I'm just going to go ahead and do it. So I am doing Project Polish again this year, but I'm doing it a little bit different than normal because I still want to be able to play with a bunch of things. I will be putting polishes throughout other projects for usage. I do have some in to finish in some projects that I may or may not finish that end in April, but I want this project to be all things that I want to finish, and they are all things that have a lot of usage on them already. I did not do swatches of them because you guys have seen most of these already, if not all of them. And yeah, I just wanted to get this started. I decided just a few hours ago that I was going to do it. So, I didn't prep a whole lot. So we're just going to jump in and we're going to do this. I don't even have it on my spreadsheet yet. Half the bottles aren't marked. So, we're going to run with it. So I'm just going to grab them in no particular order. I'm not even looking. I'm just going to pick one up. All right, so this, ooh, man, this one is old. This is from Artmatic. It is just a gold glitter. It does not have any name. It is a topper. It is very pretty. And it's going to take a while to use this because it's a very thin topper, and this is where we are starting. So I have just a hair over half a bottle still to go on that. I feel like it will pair well with a lot of things that I will be working on because it gives that little something extra without being like hyper glittery like a lot of the glitters that I own, which I have a few in here. Okay, yeah, I do. I have a few in here. I like toppers. But this one, the Artmatic one, it's super subtle, and I like that. So that one is going to be a joy to use, even though it's going to take most of the year. Oddly enough, I pulled another Artmatic one, and this is a pretty green. I do not think this has a name. Then again, it might. I got my handy dandy magnifying glass, and I don't think the gold one has a name. Though I'm looking, I don't see it. I see a number, I don't see a name. Now let's look on. The green actually has a name right there. It is called Envy, and what an appropriate name for a green nail polish. So you can see right here is where we are starting with that one. This is a beautiful toe color. I cannot wait to do my toes in that and enjoy that one. Does this one say anything right there? Nope, it really doesn't say anything. It just says Artmatic USA, and yeah, I don't think Artmatic exists anymore. All right, another one that I did play with last year, and I actually have more in it than the last time it was marked. So this is from Sally Hansen. I want to say it's called To the Moon. It is so worn off now. I don't know. I think that's what it's called, but I will double check. And it's a glitter that I have added a little bit of things to here or there. When I get a glitter polish and I don't have a ton left in it, not enough to even get it out on the brush, but I know there's still a little bit in there, then I tend to pour that into something else just to not waste it, because I don't know, maybe it's the way I grew up. We just didn't waste. So, it's got a few other little things in there. So if I can let it settle, it's actually going to be like right around this white line. So I'm just going to have to track it from the white line down, and I will let you know what kind of progress I'm making. This is one of those that's really thick. Not from I can't get it on a brush and it won't spread on my nails kind of thick, but it's like there's a lot of glitters in there and not a lot of base. So, yeah, I can do this 1 to 2 coats and it's completely opaque, which I kind of like. So I can do it as a topper. I just have to be extremely light-handed. But I really like that as an accent nail as well. All right, let's see. What do we have here? I'm not even going to look. Oh, look, another glitter. This one is from Clean Color. I don't even know what this one's called. It is, probably doesn't have a name. Yeah, it does. Holiday Jingle. It's got a name. And it's about right here, which I will have to mark this when I am done. I think this is going to be absolutely lovely for the month of March because, you know, St. Patrick's Day, and I'm very Irish, so, well, half. But I'm more Irish than anything else. But yeah, this is going to be fun for the month of March. All right, let's see what's next. An oldie but a goodie. This one is from Revlon. And this one is Cherries in the Snow. And this reminds me of Nona every time I pull it out because I know she had it too at one point. And I haven't seen her post in forever. I wonder if she's still posting. I don't know. It's been weird. Like, I watch videos, even if I don't always comment, I'm watching videos. But I find that a lot of people are not popping up in my feed anymore. So then I will notice like someone's commented or something and I'm like, why haven't I seen this person's video in like forever? And I have to go searching for them again. And for some reason, like I'm still subscribed, but they're not popping up in my feed. And that's usually how I get my videos, is just to see what's popping up in my feed. Because I'm just stupid busy and I'm like click, 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 click all over my feed. And I just don't understand why some people that I've watched like a lot over the years just aren't popping up in my feed lately. I don't get it. The YouTube algorithm just, it is beyond my scope of understanding. So this one is, I just added thinner to it, so it's a little bit above this, but I'm kind of in between like the gold here and this bottom, whatever line that is, like blue. So yeah, it's somewhere in that range, and yeah, it's time that this one gets done. All right, let's pull another one. Oh, this feels like an elf. Another glitter. Shocker. This one has a lot more in it, but the bottle isn't quite as big as some of the other ones. Isn't that a pretty glitter? And I can put that with the Cherries in the Snow and have some fun. I could use it as a topper. And this one, I think it's called like Gina Girl or something, but I could be wrong. Oh yeah, I'm way off. Gina Girl must have been the purple one. This is called Love Me. And yeah, I do love you. It's very pretty. So that's going to be fun. And once it settles, you can see maybe that I am right about in this area. I'm not holding it straight. So right about there. I think I can get it done. All right. This one you guys have seen more recently, and again, I added a little bit of thinner because I noticed it was getting a little thicker than I would like. This is Sephora by OPI, and it is Teal We Meet Again. I love the shade so, so much, and I was there, but like I'm right here now since I added thinner. It's okay. It doesn't matter. I will use it. Look, I could have worn it today. It would have matched very nicely with this sweater. All right, let's see what's next. All right, this one doesn't have a name or a brand or anything like that. It came in a little Christmas gift set that had all this different makeup and stuff in it, like really cheap stuff. But I mean, the nail polishes aren't bad. I don't think I kept most of the makeup because it was, I don't know, it wasn't good. Like the pencils were super dry and stuff. But that was many years ago. So this one is virtually brand new. I don't even have a line on it because it's like right up to the top. But you can see it is a much smaller bottle than like this one. It's thinner and it's not quite as tall. I don't think that one's going to be a problem. Fairly neutral color. All right, I only have two left. So this one you guys have seen kind of recently. This is the Avon Color Last in the shade Saturn. And again, I added some thinner. It should have been down to here, but it's actually up here in this range now. But that's okay. I'm going to get it done. The shaker ball in there is moving well now. That's a good sign. And then last but certainly not least is another Artmatic. And this one is called Renegade. Is that right? It's weird how they have the names in different areas. So this one, the name is down here, Renegade. It is blue. And I am right at this line here, and Greta is getting her scratch on. So, you know, she just wants you to know that she's here. All right, so I have my work cut out for me. I dare say this is going to take a while. I have picked 10 polishes, and I think my goal was 10 for the year when I did my makeup use up goal. So I know I might be able to get a few done in other projects, but I don't know. This could be interesting if I can get a bunch of these done. Some of them are going to be harder, like the blue, dark blue and dark green. Till we meet again, it's halfway, and they're all pretty dark, but they're good toe colors. The glitters, I'll be able to do those because I like to do my ring finger accent nails. I think I can do this. Might not get all the way. I'm going to get better than 50%. You guys know I like to get at least my 50%. Anything above that is bonus. So if I can get 5 of these done, which I think I can get more, Miss Flippity Flap over there, yeah, I think I'm going to be a very, very happy girl. So wish me luck. And if you are doing Project Polish this year, if I could speak, let me know and I will come check it out. This was originally created by Pretty Pistol 86. I don't think she posts anymore. And like she was on for a while and then she disappeared. And then she came back for a little bit and then I haven't seen anything from her again. I should probably go look her up. Greta's right here, and see if she's been posting again. I know she's moved across the country a couple of times at least, so I just don't know what's going on with her. And you know, if I find something out, I will let you know on my first update what I found out. But I will link her down below either way because I think her channel is still live, but I don't know. I really don't know. Yeah, so that is everything for my intro for Project Polish. Hopefully it goes well. I would like to be able to get a bunch of these done because I want to get my nail polish numbers down and you know, keep them below 150 once I get there. I want to be able to enjoy what I have, but I also want to be able to buy new stuff, but I want to keep it within a certain number of polishes so that nothing gets too old. I hate having to add thinner and stuff like that. I mean, I do it because it's necessary, but if I don't have to do that, if I can use stuff that's a little bit newer than, you know, some of these that are probably 30 years old, which is kind of crazy, they still work. It would be nice to use some newer polishes for a change. So it would be cool to get some of these old ones out and be able to play with more of my new ones in my other projects. Those are the ones that I'm going to play with and have some fun with. These are the ones that I'm going to focus on and try and get them moved out. All right, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.